Today I will be talking to you about police dispatching and what to expect from it and how to become one. Dispatchers are the first responders. They are responsible for knowing your location, which is very important, your name, age, the situation, and how to properly keep you calm while telling the police and ambulance where to go. The average pay for a full-time dispatcher is $40,000 a year. First, I would like to talk to you about how to become a dispatcher. First, you have an interview with the fire and police chief, and they ask you a series of questions like your work experience, can you multitask, are you organized, can you speak different languages, are you good at typing, and can you keep calm under pressure. Staying calm is very important when dealing with high-stress calls, especially when the person on the other line is in an emergency. Once you are hired, you take a 2-day course on how to properly answer calls and use the computers. You then move on to a 40-hour online of anatomy and physiology, the history of 911, and you listen to a series of mock calls on how to and how not to handle calls. You then do a mock call on your own with a speaker, and they give you a scenario, and if you can handle that, then you start in the station. Moving forward, you do 40 hours in the station on how to answer calls, how to talk on the radio to police and fire, how to run plates, how to call med flights, find warrants, and many other important things. You also take a 4-hour CPR class to get certified in case you need to instruct the caller on CPR. According to Fact Retriever, 15 to 20% of emergencies calls are not emergencies. They typically include missing dogs, roadkill, looking for phone numbers, accidental, or prank calls. As you know, the number for emergency is 911, but many other countries use 999, which is very important if you are traveling. If you make a phone call from your cell phone, which 70% of people do today, then the calls do not automatically find your location. In Massachusetts, they go to Framingham State, and the caller will explain the situation, and they connect the call to your nearest police station. Often, dispatcher's location will come up as the call tower, and you have to be very careful that you do not send help to the tower. You need to speak to the person on the other line and get the location. All lines are recorded, which is very important for safety reasons, and you are told that once you make the call. Phonetic alphabet is very important because a lot of civilians can listen to scanners. The alphabet is A, Alpha, B, Bravo, C, Charlie, D, Delta, E, Echo, F, Foxtrot, G, Golf, H, Hotel, J, Juliet, K, Kilo, L, Lima, M, Michael, N, November, O, Oscar, P, Papa, Q, Quebec, R, Romeo, S, Sierra, T, Tango, U, Uniform, V, Victor, W, Whiskey, X, X-ray, Y, Yankee, and Z, Zulu. So for example, a license plate would be Alpha Bravo 123. Another important thing that dispatchers do are ride-alongs with the police. It helps you connect with your area, the streets, intersections, getting to know apartments, and getting to know your department. Thank you, and that is how to become a dispatcher.